Okay, so for this question we want to rewrite this equation into the standard circle equation and then identify the center and the radius. Okay, so the first thing to do is to group the x's together. Alright, so usually we do, so here we copy x squared minus 8x, we put them together, then we leave a space, and then we write down the y squared minus 6y, so we are grouping the y's together, we leave a space, equal sign, and then this 16, this number we move to the other side, so it's going to be minus 16. Alright, so what we see here, this is the beginning of a square, perfect square. So what we do, alright, so we want to identify what will be here the expression that has a beginning of square, this one, and complete it, right? So we are missing one more term in order to complete it. Similarly, for the y's, it's going to be something here squared, and as well we want to complete the missing term, right? So let's start with the x's. So for the x's, first of all, we can identify here the square root of x squared is going to be x, so it's going to be that the first term. We can identify here there is a minus sign, so the sign is going to be minus as well here. And always for these expressions, the middle term over here is always divide this by 2. Alright, so 8 divided by 2 is going to be a 4, and you get the second number. Now the third term that you are missing is the square. Alright, the third term that you're missing is the square of this number over here. Alright, so 4 squared is going to be 16, so what you're going to be doing is adding 16 to this side, and to maintain the balance of the equal sign I need to add 16 as well from this side. Alright, so now what we have these three terms together equals to this one. Alright, and the extra 16 there we added to both sides, so we maintain the balance. Alright, so we're going to do exactly the same thing. So for the y, so the y squared, square root of y squared is going to be y. We have a minus sign here, so it's going to be a minus sign as well. We divide this number by 2, so this is going to be 3. And therefore the missing term is going to be 3 squared, which is 9. I need to add 9 here. As well, I'm going to add another 9 from this side. So now the three terms over here, they're going to be equals to this, which is good. And then we're going to add the three other terms in here. Whenever you add them up, you're going to add up to 9, right? 16 and minus 16 cancels out. And here you go. So we can figure out the center. So always the center is going to have x and y. So we're going to take always this number here and just switch the sign. Opposite of minus 4 is 4, so it's going to be 4. The opposite of this number is going to be positive 3, so that's the center. And the radius r is going to be the square root of whatever number you have here. Alright, and that's square root of 9, and this is going to be 3. And that's basically it. That's all. This is your answer, guys.